You ever sit there staring at the ceiling, wondering how your life ended up here? You're tired, drained, and part of you wants to stop trying. The world feels heavy, and no matter how much you do, it never feels like enough. You wake up, put on a brave face, but deep down, you're empty. You're fighting a war inside your own head, and it feels like you're losing.
You tell yourself you'll start again tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. Every time you fall, you stay down just a little longer. And every time you stay down, that voice inside, the one that used to believe, gets quieter. But listen to me, you're still breathing, you're still here. That means it's not over, not yet.
The truth is, life doesn't care how tired you are. It doesn't pause for your pain. It doesn't slow down so you can catch your breath. You either get up or you get left behind. And if you think the world's gonna wait for you, it won't. The world rewards the ones who rise, even when they have every reason to stay down. You think your pain makes you weak? No. It's the proof that you're alive. The pain means there's something left inside you worth fighting for. And you've got two choices. Let it break you or let it build you.
You have no idea how close you are. How close you are to breaking through, to seeing all your effort finally mean something. But you'll never see it if you quit now. You've got to stop telling yourself that maybe next time will be easier. It won't. It's supposed to be hard. That's how you grow. That's how you build the version of you who can handle what's waiting on the other side. You can't control every storm, but you can control whether you stand back up after it hits.
You're not tired because you're weak. You're tired because you've been fighting. But you've got more left in you than you think. Every great person you look up to, every athlete, every leader, every fighter, they all felt like quitting too. The difference? They didn't. They got up again and again and again until one day the pain turned into power. And that's the part most people never reach because they give up one day too soon.
You've got to stop waiting for motivation to show up. Motivation isn't coming. Discipline is what saves you. Doing what needs to be done even when you're exhausted, even when you're scared, even when nobody believes in you. That's how you win. You say you want change, but your actions have to prove it. Get up. Keep moving. Don't let your emotions make decisions for you. Feel the pain, then move anyway. Feel the fear, then act anyway. That's strength. That's courage. That's what separates the ones who make it from the ones who don't.
Right now, you might be at rock bottom. Maybe you lost something, failed something, or someone told you you'll never make it. Good. That's your moment. That's your test. Every champion's story starts there, in the dirt, in the dark, with no applause, no spotlight, no help. That's where you build character. That's where you earn it. You don't get stronger from easy days. You get stronger from the days that break you, and you refuse to stay broken.
The world doesn't need more people who quit. It needs fighters. It needs people who get hit and keep swinging. People who fall but still get up and say, I'm not done yet. Because that's what life is, a fight. You're not supposed to coast through it. You're supposed to battle for what matters. You want to know who you are? You find out in the moments when everything hurts and you keep moving anyway. That's the real you. The fighter, the survivor, the one who refuses to give up.
Stop telling yourself you can't. You can. You've always been able to. You just forgot. Somewhere along the way you let fear convince you that you're not built for this. But you are. You were built to rise, to overcome, to endure. You were made to fail, learn, adapt, and come back stronger every single time. The problem isn't that you fall, it's that you think you're not supposed to. Falling is part of it. Struggling is part of it. But quitting, that's a choice. And you're not choosing that anymore.
Every drop of sweat, every sore muscle, every late night. That's your proof. That's your evidence that you're still fighting. Nobody's going to hand you greatness. You have to drag it out of yourself. And that means doing the work when it's boring, showing up when it's painful, staying focused when nobody claps. You want to win? Then stop asking when will it get easier. It won't. You'll just get tougher. You'll grow. You'll evolve. And the things that used to break you will become the things that build you.
There's a version of you that you haven't met yet. A version that's stronger, sharper, unbreakable, but you'll never meet them if you keep giving up every time it hurts. You've got to go through the pain to find that person. So get up, wipe your face, take one more step, and when it feels like you've got nothing left, remind yourself. This is where the comeback starts. This is where you prove to yourself that you were built for more. No one's coming to save you. No one's going to do it for you, but you can do it. You will do it. Because deep down, you already know you were never meant to stay down.
This isn't the end. This is the beginning of who you're becoming. So stop overthinking. Stop waiting for the right time. The right time is now. Get up and keep going. Not because it's easy, but because you're worth it. Every step you take in silence, every sacrifice, every hard day, it's building something. It's building you. Get up and keep going. Like, comment relentless, and subscribe to become part of the 1% who refuse to quit. The ones who rise, fight, and keep going, no matter what.